So I am Manvi Sharma and HOD of Vedic Maths department at StudyKosh. Currently I am working here, and over the years I have trained thousands of students in mental maths and speed calculations techniques. Basically, my focus has always been on confidence based learning, conceptual clarity, and step by step teaching methods. Right? And I strongly believe that every child can improve in maths when taught with the correct approach and proper structure. Okay? Now, let me ask you one thing. How many of you fear of maths, like you are having fear of maths? How many of you can drop your like response in the chat box, or you can raise your hand. I will unmute your mic and you can share your experience with maths. I want all of you to participate. And okay, Laksha.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Laksha.
So, yeah, ma'am. So, I've been struggling with maths since I was in 6th grade.
Okay.
So,
Currently, you are in which grade?
I'm in 8th grade.
Okay, great. Okay.
So, I feel like I want to do maths. I don't have any problem in doing maths. But still, when I start doing it, I make one mistake. I feel like I am not that confident to continue.
You are not able to check whether your answers are correct or not. You are not confident about your calculations, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are at right platform. So surely I will help you out to remove all of this, like all the fear. I will help you out in our calculations and how we are going to check our answers, everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Laksha, thank you. Anyone else who wants to share? Okay, Jashe, please unmute.
I am doing maths and sometimes my answers are wrong. Also multiplying I'm doing well, ma'am, and I got wrong answers more times. I need to do maths.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll teach you shortcut tricks. And as I told you, like we have some shortcut to check the answers as well. We can identify whether our answers are correct or not. Okay, and there are many tricks in Vedic Maths by which we can learn how to get our answers in seconds. Okay, anyone else? Okay. So let me continue. So here, why do so many students fear maths? The reason is slow calculations, okay, and slow calculation, forgetting methods, exam pressure, lack of confidence, dependence on calculators, right? So most students think they are weak in maths, but actually the problem is not intelligence. The problem is not intelligence here. The real problem is confidence. Okay, when you are lacking your confidence, then you are like facing these problems. Otherwise, you are intelligent enough to learn mathematics. Okay, so when you repeatedly struggle with calculations and you slowly start believing that maths is difficult. But today we will see how that fear can change into confidence. Right? Now, most students are taught to memorize, not think. So, in many schools or some coaching institutes, students are taught to memorize methods instead of understanding the numbers. So, they memorize basically what you memorize formulas, steps, or procedure for solving a particular question, right? But actually, you should be taught to deal with the numbers, like how number behaves, how pattern works, and how to think mentally. So here we are going to tell you all these, like how numbers behave and how we are getting this answer by following these steps. So we are going to teach you all the patterns and everything. Then obviously your confidence will improve. Okay, because real mathematics growth happens when you begin thinking logically instead of memorizing blindly, right? So here is here I have just taken two conditions, like one is traditional learning and another one is mental math thinking. So in traditional learning we use memorization. So here we've basically what happens with fear of forgetting that particular steps or the formula, and the calculation becomes slow, and we are dependent on these formulas or the patterns. But here in mental math thinking, pattern recognition will discuss, and when you know the pattern of particular question or particular number, then automatically the confidence will build, and that's why you will have number understanding, right? So this is how we'll change the traditional method to the new mental math thinking. Now I'm going to give you one question, and then see, like, can you solve this particular question mentally? I'll give you again 15 seconds, okay, and solve this question in 15 seconds and let me know the answer if you are able to answer it in 15 seconds. So you can use your pen or paper. The question is 23 into 999. Your time starts now. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you solved this answer? Question, sorry. Anyone got the answer? Yes, Laksha.
Ma'am, I actually don't know the actual one, but I guess 22,977 something.
Yes, it is correct. Got the answer? Without using calculators. Okay. Prisha, have you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, what is the answer?
22,977.
So what trick you have applied to this particular question?
Through multiplication.
Okay, the conventional maths.
Yes.
So you took 15 seconds to solve it?
No, ma'am, something 16, 17 seconds.
Okay, good, good. Okay, yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, even I got 22,977.
Okay, good. So what method you have used and how much time you took?
Around that 15 seconds only, maybe like 1-2 seconds more.
Okay, Sanvi, good. Yes, Jesse.
The answer is 22,977.
Yes, correct. Answer is correct, Jesse. Good. Okay. So now here, very good. You all performed very well. Okay. But the trick which I am going to tell you, that is the trick of Vedic Maths. Okay. So here we can solve this question basically by using 2-3 different tricks. But here I am going to tell you single trick. So here these are the two numbers. This is basically what? It is a multiplicand and 999 is a multiplier. So we'll check that this multiplier is near to 1000. Alright. So what we are going to do, we'll just subtract 1 from this 23 from the multiplicand. So what you'll get? When I will subtract 1 from the multiplicand, you'll get 22. Okay. And then what you'll check? The difference. Like this 23 is how this 1000 and like this 23 is how much less than this 1000. So just you need to subtract this 23 from 1000. Here also we'll use the Vedic trick, that is all from 9 and last from 10. So all numbers we are going to subtract from 10 except the last one, right? So here from the 9, sorry, except the last one, we are going to subtract the last number from
10. So what we will get here? 977. We'll join these two and we'll get 22977. All right. So we are doing multiplication here, but we are getting our answer by doing subtraction. So this is the magic of Vedic Maths. Okay. So you want me to give one more question of multiplication? Okay. So I'll give you one more. Let us try that and then we'll move further. Okay. So the question is 995 into 99998. Solve this question in 10 seconds. Your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone? Okay, 5 more seconds I am giving you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the answer? Sanvi, got the answer?
No, I didn't get the answer.
Okay, what about Prisha, Alaksha, Jaise, anyone? Whether the answer is right or wrong, that doesn't matter. I want to interact with you all. I want to check your skills. So, anyone? Prisha, got the answer?
No, ma'am, I have not got the answer. I will just do.
Okay, no problem. Okay, let me share one more trick with you. So we can solve this particular question in 10 seconds or less than 10 seconds. What we are going to do here, we'll check these numbers, these two numbers. The base of these numbers are this, 1 lakh. Both the numbers are near to 1 lakh. Am I right? Okay. Just we need to check how much this number is less than 1 lakh. So the first number is -5 and this one is -2. Okay. And then we'll multiply these two numbers. So what you'll get? 10. Then after we'll check here, there are 5 zeros. But here we are getting 2-digit number. So what we are going to do, we'll make this number a 5-digit number. So we need to attach 3 zeros to the left side. I'm sorry, 5 zeros, 4 zeros to the left side. Yes, Jessie.
Ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am. You said first, you said -1. You said we did -1, ma'am. I got 9,999, ma'am. 4.
How?
Another number, you said lakh minus that 99,994.
No, listen to me. These two numbers, they are near to 1 lakh. Okay? Okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
we need to check like this number. When we will subtract 999995 from this 1 lakh, what do you get? 5?
5.
So this is the 5 here. I have written. And similarly, this number, if you will subtract this number from 1 lakh, what you'll get?
2.
Yes, good. So I have written 2 here. Right? Then I just multiply these two numbers. 5 into 2 is?
10.
5 into, it is 10. Now here we have how many digits in this number? We have 5 digits. Okay? I think there is some network issue. It is 10 lakh. Correct. Okay. So here we need to attach zeros. Now coming to this point, like here we need to attach zeros to this 10 to the left side because we have to make this number equal to the digits we have here. Okay. Got it? So here, how many zeros we have? We have 6 zeros. So we have to make this 10 equal to the zeros we have here. So that's why I have attached 4 zeros to the left side. Now, here we have 5 digits and here we have 5 zeros. So we are okay with it. Now let us move to the next part. That is, here we just need to subtract these two numbers. Like either you can subtract this number, this 2 from this number, or this 5 from this number. You'll get same answers. What you will get here? You'll get 99,993, right? And this is the answer. I'll repeat once again what I did. Basically, first of all, I have checked the numbers. Like these two numbers, they are near to 10 lakh. Okay. Then after, I have just checked the deviation. Like this number is 5 less than this number, and this number is 2 less than this number. I just multiplied these two numbers. I got 10 here, and then I made this number equal to the number of zeros we have. So here we have 6 zeros. So that's why I need to attach 4 zeros to this 10. So that's why I have added these 4 zeros. And then after, just I have adding the numbers. Either you'll cross add these two numbers or these two numbers. You'll get 99,9993. Okay. Now, is it clear to everyone? Or any query, any doubt you have? Yes, Laksha?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Actually, are we supposed to add like -5 plus 900?
Because here we have minus sign. So that's why I said we have to add. Because already this number is 5 less than the base number. Okay?
Okay.
So here we have a negative sign. So that's why I have used a term like we need to add the numbers. If I said I need to subtract, then what happened? 99,995 minus -5. So
It's
here,
gonna be plus.
yes,
Because this is integers, right?
yes.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Anyone else? Any doubt? Or is it clear to everyone? Clear? Okay, good. Now let us move further. We are going to discuss other questions as well. So let's wait for that part. Meanwhile, so here what we have learned. We learned maths become easier when numbers are understood differently. We have taken two different questions, right? In one question we have used one technique. There we just subtract the multiplicand by 1 and just check whether that number, like this, the multiplicand is how much less than the base number. And in the next technique we have learned something different. So that's why maths become easy when numbers are understood differently. Okay.